Hi, Tyler. This is Chance Jr. He's walking. Probably one of the quickest of all the dogs. And guess what? His teeth are coming in. You probably can't see him right now, but he's got some little teeth. Ouch! He's got some teeth. Ouch! He's a little sleepy right now. Say hi to Tyler. Say hi to Blue. Blue's gonna be your big brother. Oh, he smells something. This is Memorial Day, so a lot of people are grilling, so he smells the food out here. Say hello. Say hello. And he gives kisses, too. Let's see if they're giving kisses. Oh, here's a kiss. Not quite sure what's going on. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Oh, there's a little kiss. Well, he's not in the kissing mood right now. Give me a couple of little kisses. Oh, oh, he's kissing my neck. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tyler. Bye, Blue.